Right, abusuan mi mo bibia akwaba mfambra 2K News and Blossom ewo YouTube so say abusuan for ya ba ne de neche say as usual munim eye update ahodo ayen saka abusuan yen kwa yentimi entina so sa no ane ye dia ba say de ba sun obi biara ohwe eye 2K News and Blossom eye YouTube channel yi na message so adar mo bu ne ndie kwa so ye be kwani akwa akwa video no wo comment bia no ama comment ne ho ate e ama meche say e medi di atem emba o comment nim Sanso ana owi awadare mo buni ndi kwa so no ahye amofoforo nso enya ensema hodo a ekoso ni bi eti na bibia nso etimi aye kama abusuafo ebeko ni akwa akotie ensem ni akwa akọ he video no ede aba meso so awadare ma obuo ni ndi kwa so obo he video yi ede akwa akosi na ma bibia nso etimi aye kama abusuafo mpesem kase be tentenko enko he video ni famra
pe dia okay eni nchechemu chese abaye law until said debi obi beba kwa challenge saade no na bi ebetimi aje afi but obi an challenge ide when abaye law na tell us article 97 clause gh1 clause g1 eba h no the interpretation ya Supreme Court diaba no ya set bad precedent and na say we feel said there eye there na sa na e kire na ne yenim ana afen ya discover we have taken the cover off.
Yo, me da se bebre. Chemu ya me de my me book court in tia na se de bisa. But you na opinion.
Yeah.
You feel say idea etia you understand the independence of parliament. And I feel so no I say we are setting a bad precedent. Because the the Supreme Court I can say you know say the speaker did not have authority. Only authority so they declare any seat vacant. And secondly, say any MP and I say city MP they are declared who say or co as independent candidate or vice versa. Na kunya no and so homano until the next election. If you are normal and say what the constitution is talking about, say an MP will vacate shall, not will, shall vacate his seat, you know. If you are not going to say so we vacate your seat, then it means a future seat. A future seat. If you know if you are no seat now to see another there. And I say the we now to see another and no there count. So, which means consequences na ebebano in the future. And say NPP or core primaries. Now, when we need primaries, Utiniba eba the contesting as independent candidate, and there will be no consequences for him for his seat in Autism because future elections, and canon. Now, when I do want to say. And here, any some discomfort about the political parties now, and then almost the discomfort beba because semi MP now me co primaries now me hena and kuya mamia. The next thing I have to do is me contest as independent candidate, and then either I win or I cause my political party candidate, to lose the seat. It automatically I may support the opposition. Either I'm supporting myself or supporting the opposition. Yeah, here the assembly political parties go forward. But said the Michika every beginning, Supreme Court and a day Nasem about the Tuja. Now secondly, the parliament looks weak. Say Parliament, any who finds Obama on one the number of the qualification of people who sit in the house and inside the man. I just and one dinner for Parliament is some speaker. Any and one dinner so meeting I never been. And as you say, a man no I say and one year as I said Parliament in the Jumano, a year aqua Supreme Court is and I could be the judiciary, So you try to say again, they are more the independence of Parliament. enya dia eboa ye kameba mkabi abamu any separation of powers no emwa because them do honoma na with the judiciary ebe pata ho anase the bara ho and said that emboasa emma democracy no enkoni
na wo ka bibi se ebasa no a mefa ne se bia obi a member of parliament na bia ya to abade yi no na okọ parliament no na ebia opese oswehye ebasa no obetimi aka se yebetimi ayusu sa president we say ade aka kire parliament say okay me next parliament ni de bia me join party B me party A me join party B but me amusa wo wo hwe professor wayo say no mu de wo hwe honorable Andrew Asiama mo de no a difference wo mu ni say wayo say no mu de no that time ni election year say ne election year akra no a ansa na ye what time minim say saa de no wo ho a when you at the middle of the year and I will say 3 months to the election it is a ni mienu no we be explaining say we be tie ma say
Professor why me say ni mu de no different because on the clear right and there say or cross carpet. I think the constitution can state once you cross carpet, I know the consequences of it. You are losing your seat outright. But the ama way na baba Tony issue to say, who can direct say may cross carpet. But the fact is say what form say who contested on another ticket, I said me NPP here, but Makofa form say I am going to contest the next election as NPP. Me NDC, I'm contesting the next election as NPP. What does it mean? I haven't changed I haven't crossed carpet. But in the future, let's say platform na in the future, I will not be on it. The principle of it now, I say, what or where I owe allegiance to right now, my allegiance have changed. Yes, that the meaning grew here, but I do not mean no assessor.
I tell you, person bisa say, fanese. Yawo ebi at the next parliament nebia ya drew 2006 na se obi ka say okay me next parliament no me pese me ya adwuma ma wa announce say me next parliament no ebia me pese me ya adwuma edema party B Abraham or party A de make what say te say de professor wayon se ni across the carpet nipa no de nanu aka wode nanu kan no ena no ye betimi agina so aka say what do I can't know? What do I can't say that there? And yes, dear Jumania Pamu free parliament.
What do I know? Can't now you mean it? And you know what you let that come out political parties and the only one yes, Anna, the Pamu to parliament now. By-election. It is a by-election, baby.
It is a by-election. Power non can, do one waka, but you are still with them. What do one waka, but still with them? I didn't know you to me so. Nian Kase, because of so do one waka intino. As I see a strike article 97 G no, G1 now you take you off.
No, sir, say, only one can. Political parties, they also have the right to say. Make a case against you, say you no longer owe allegiance to them. Because they provided you the platform for you to contest your election. It's say, one can say, when person made doms are cool with him. Now in the next election, they can make a case against you. They can make a case against you, say, you don't owe allegiance to us anymore. So we are taking this decision at this point, to sack you from our party. Now say our party, so there, and then we so I would jump parliament any day. then that particular clause will kick in. That when you now do on this interpretation of the Article 97(1) of the Constitution, me sure say all kinds of opinions will come out. Sure some opinions are out about what we think about the ruling, and what we think about and the independence of Parliament going forward, and how amount for who Parliament is here for. We'll bring those things out. But for the meantime, once the Supreme Court has spoken, Ubia ain't challenging here. Ubia has not asked for any review. Yes, sir. The Speaker would voluntarily recall Parliament. Say the bear ombudsman ombudsman because a man I can issue.
Supreme Court ruling no episode mo kire say saa time na nipa de declare no yentimi nya by election omo consider saa de ne kan ho ana say man say bia saa time that information by no
Constitution ankasa na aye ne saa say when it's 3 months to election no there will be no by election.
That's it.
Because time is because by election it costs the state a lot of money. If 3 months to that election, the Constitution ankasa na declare and say there will be no by election. If we don't have to consider it say the people in those constituencies will not have members of Parliament and also representation because the Constitution ankasa na ayensa. So sesa de ni sia enye obi na ekumanchi wo enye obi na akọ say sankofo we enya representation within that 3 months. Constitution angasa na akase maybe every year to save ourselves a lot of because then we will go back to election. Why should we within this short period say BBC within that period why should we elect somebody? Within that period, say also stand a platform on which
Parliament now.
Then that consequences you should be ready to bear it. Say within that 3 months, you are not going to represent your people in Parliament because your allegiance has changed. Principle out, you know, to the bar. Parliament and assistant Tribia who was the bano now you were for let's say environmental issues you come higher politics but let me say you're a principled politicians or political party NSC your principle say we are for environmental issues based on your reason or your principle as somebody who supports environmental issues. So if within that 3 months, I will filing for your next election, what's the sawaji? And also say, me impair environmental issues, me say me joining and I say me advocacy, Emma, if you are more mining this anyamana. And so say your principle has changed.
It means that you are defraud. Can we describe that as a defraud? You have defrauded your constituents, right?
Exactly. So that 3 months, then once you have changed your mind to advocate for mining and all those things, when you say and also that aspect the environment. Once you have changed your mind from advocating for environmental issues and now you are saying in my future I want to advocate for mining and those kind of things, it means that your principle has changed. Your principle has changed. That 3 months now the Parliament, you are going to advocate for things that will go against environmental protection. So within that 3 months, no, once you have changed your mind, say, I think it should affect your present stay in parliament so that you don't cause us any particular issues. But Mr.
Kolo, was the Muda Hopa. Nama Yanshad you, sa 3 months na kano. Se pa bia emrano taking pan off from the parliament. San koye say we are depriving on also no crop for representation and the August House. The American watch say so instead of say bia so
anything I make say the constitution ankasa
so ana kameba
the constitution ankasa
so in this case no can we say they say the we have a constitutional crisis no can we accept this because per the ruling of the Supreme Court no and their work no okikasi animu who said there's a big challenge there so can we say conclude say we have a constitutional crisis?
I beg to differ. Me sure say it was it's a constitutional crisis. So you see, I know the na person and come explain, you know. Come explain it.
That Mr. Kole, what be ya dwumutina na me person obusa asase musi no. Hwe sa me ma ba parliament. Me ba no me de party A na buy. But yes se me ba na se me be ka say party A na me ya adwuma mom no. Se me switch ko party no a party B abra party A na de me buy no a. SSC declare mimi seat ni vacant. The near sakoto so aba e kwa by election. But the same constitution is say 3 months am ya kwa akoto aba. Say you need the yentimi nkoye sa by election. The American watch say though the political parties they have their own constitution betimi are taking me off but the constitution is the mother law of the country. So eba say no a meme no 3 months no the constitution say and the me nkoye by election. See nkoye by election there edi na yentimi nka say okay maybe decision am taking for the future. Nemom se metna ho no ma ayi esese metna ho se metna ho so a meso me nkofo a omunti no me kwaka asem bi di chi o se meye environmental ye fa say advocate na me ba na masesem adwen no meso so me disappoint o mo enu ti na bi a constitution di shemu say sa na tie de a ene wontimi fa party B mana ukwaye party e adwuma etesi declare the vacant eti abase no ane ye ne dey because esese metna ho so a me disappointment nkofo the American what I say and I say me consider the next me you take me off from parliament so a that time no me for the last 3 months no ye representation it ye take a crucial ye decision bi and I say bill bi ba na say obu hia madwenchira na say ebia me constituency there's no representation. So in this case no can't we say there's a constitutional crisis? The
word now they took on I want to avoid.
Oh, okay, all right.
But opinion now we share no and I said the discourse that we are having I think we are on the same wavelength because I say different strokes for different folks. On one part say who can before the 3 months now and I say we take the decision before the 3 months now. They call it crossing carpet. And there you are crossing carpet. I say between your party A and me call party B and the minya so only there meeting parliament we have to declare your seat vacant and then there will be a by election. But we know you say ukofa former the political form. I think we have